Hello students, in this video of sentence, I am going to cover up the following topics. That is, what is a phrase? What is a sentence? Parts of a sentence. Features of a sentence. Difference between a phrase and a sentence. Phrase. A group of words that makes a sense but not a complete sense is called a phrase. Examples. In the east. Second example. With a spoon. Both of these are the group of words that makes a sense but not a complete sense. Let us see another example. In the east, in the spoon, with a. This group of words is not a phrase because it has no sense. If we add the sun rises before the phrase in the east and I am eating before the phrase with a spoon, this new set of words with complete sense will be called what? Definitely a sentence. Sentence. Sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sense. Example. This book on the table is mine. Another example. The duck is in the pond. Above group of words is in proper order. Moreover, it makes a complete sense. So, these are called sentences. Now see other example. Book, this, mine, is on the table. Another example. In the pond is the duck. Above group of words is not in proper order and does not make any sense. So these are not sentences. Parts of a sentence. A sentence has two parts. Subject and predicate. Subject. Subject. It is that part of a sentence which tells us who or what the sentence is about. It is also called naming part. Predicate. It is that part of a sentence which tells us something about the subject. It is also called telling part. Now see here. Babies cry. Babies is subject here and cry is predicate. We are talking about who? Babies. So babies is subject and cry will be the predicate. It tells something about babies. Another example. The Indian team won the match. We are talking about which team? The Indian team. So, the Indian team is the subject and what we said about the team will be the predicate, that is won the match. Next, the lights are on. The lights are here subject. We are talking about the lights. So these lights are the subject and are on is the predicate. The actors performed well. We are talking about who? The actors. So the actors is subject here and performed well will be the predicate because it describes something about the actors. Now we should keep in mind that the subject of a sentence usually comes before predicate, but there are exceptions too. At times, for the sake of emphasis, the order is altered. For example, at the corner of the room sat the prisoner. Now the prisoner is subject here and it comes after predicate here because at one corner of the room sat is the predicate part. It tells something about the prisoner subject. Next, in that jungle lived a lion. So we are talking about a lion. So lion is the subject and in that jungle will be the predicate. In that jungle lived will be the predicate. Now next, how beautiful is the rose? Since we are talking about the rose, rose is subject here and how beautiful is will be the predicate. Features of a sentence. A sentence consists of a group of words that makes a complete sense. It has a verb. It begins with capital letter. The words in a sentence are written in proper order. It has a subject and a predicate. It ends with full stop. It ends with either a full stop, a question mark or an exclamation mark. See the example here. Ram has a red pen. Now this entire sentence or this entire group of words makes a complete sense. This sentence, Ram has a red pen, has a verb also. Has here is a verb. The sentence begins with a capital letter. Ram begins, R of Ram is in capital letter. The words in a sentence are written in proper order. Now this sentence, Ram has a red pen, Ram is the subject and has a red pen is the predicate. So the sentence has these parts also, these two parts, that is subject and predicate. The sentence ends with either full stop, a question mark or an exclamation mark. So here the sentence ends with full stop. Now let us see the difference between a phrase and a sentence. Group of words that makes a sense but not a complete sense. Lacks subject and verb. Does not cover the features of a sentence. Example, in the kitchen. It has a sense but not the complete sense. Sentence. Sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sense. It has a subject and a verb. It covers the feature of a sentence. For example, mother is in the kitchen. This group of words conveys the complete meaning, so it is a sentence. That's all in this video. Thank you.